Are you needing your concrete leveled or you're seeing cracks in your concrete? In this video, we're going to talk about, is mud jacking the best solution to solve those kind of concerns? And so by the end of this video, we hope that you are confident in knowing which solution is best for you when you're trying to fix your concrete that's settled and cracked as well. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at AccuLevel. In today's video, we're going to talk about exactly what mud jacking is. So mud jacking is taking a grind up limestone, mixing it with water, and it almost creates a grout compound that's being injected underneath that slab. And then this is pumped into holes that are about the size of $50 into the garage slab, sidewalk slab. Then it uses the pressure and fills the void underneath that slab to raise that back up into its original position. The more of this material that you add underneath your slab, the heavier it actually creates it, right? It's going to take that sidewalk and double its weight. It could take the driveway, double its weight. And so that you are then compounding the problem of that sidewalk or patio or whatever concrete that is and creating it to settle more. The other concern is that it never gets hard. It's always something to where you can take a chunk of it and you can crush it between your fingers. And with it being a limestone and water mix, there's a mess that's created on top of your sidewalk, on top of your driveway. Generally, it can be very easily washed away, but while they are doing it, it can be quite a mess. Mud jacking is a great solution when you're dealing with a light piece of concrete in a very small area. The other option is simply slab jacking. And that's using more of an expandable foam, a poly material, to inject underneath the sidewalk, patio, driveway, and is what AccuLevel actually does. And so it uses that compound to raise the slabs, and so it gets completely hard. It's impenetrable by water since it's closed cell, and it's very lightweight. When we say very lightweight, it's adding less than 1% of the existing slab's weight underneath that slab. And so you're going to get a lot more longevity out of it, and it has no messes. And so when the foam sets up, you just pick it off just like you would any other spray foam that you would get out of a can, and there's no wash down or any of that required. And so that you can get right back to using that sidewalk, right back to using the back patio or even the driveway immediately as AccuLevel pulls out of the driveway. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have a better understanding for if mud jacking is the right solution for you. If you have more questions on this topic, please leave them in the comment section below. We would love to answer those for you. And if you also have more questions just on crawl spaces, basements, or foundations in general, check out the description below. There are several links to more videos and blogs that tackle those subjects. And so we also noticed that about 99% of you that watch these videos are not subscribed to our channel. So please take a quick second, hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it.